Welcome, today I am with iPhone 13 mini and this protective case GEAR4 Denali in black color. The box of this protective case looks like that, and the back we got some kind of the information about protection features that we have in this case. Let's open it, let's put it on our smartphone. Okay, it's not that easy to put it on, but I finally did it. I'm going to zoom in a little bit to show you a little bit closer how it looks. So take a look, we got good access to lightning port. The same for this switcher, so we can easily use our switcher. What about the buttons click? It looks like they works. Let me just unlock phone. As you can see, there is no any problem with the buttons. Let's take a look on the power key. It also works. And the grip in this case is really nice. Definitely it's not going to slip from my hand, but right now it feels really bulky. You know, iPhone mini is a very small smartphone, but right now it's a little bit bigger. But you know, if you want to protect your phone, you have to deal with it. And when you take a look on the back and the front, this case comes a little bit above our screen and the cameras. So when you put your phone like that or like that, it's not going to scratch cameras or screen because it's above, right? And by the way, I apply here the glass on the back and the front, so you have to know that we got additional layer here. So it looks even a little bit better without the glasses. And let's try to remove it. Oh, and maybe I can check if it's support the wireless charging. Take a look. Let's unlock phone. Yeah, as you can see, we can wireless charging our smartphone with this case, so that's good. Let's try to remove it. Okay, it's not that easy, but we can make it. Okay, so that's how it looks on the phone. And by the way, it's made of two parts. Take a look. We can remove this one like that. I don't know, we can make it on the phone right now. Not really. Not really. Okay, so that's the first time that I got something like that in my hands. I don't know what it's made for. You can tell me in the comment. But okay, maybe it's some kind of the innovation in the cases. Let's put it back. Okay, I just mess up. And by the way, this case is around $50. What you think, guys, about that? I think that's not that cheap. I can even say that it's expensive, to be honest, for this kind of the protection. And also I can show you a short brief information about this D3O material that we can find inside. So what I found on the website of the GEAR4. So D3O offers the thinnest and the most advanced protection against impact. And they market-define products that are used worldwide by soldiers, professional athletes, industrial workers, and people like us. So from the information they have on the website. I mean, that's the information that they have on the website. That's nice. That's a nice case. I don't know honestly if I can recommend you because it's expensive, but definitely it will protect your smartphone. So you have to decide if you want to spend $50 on this kind of the case, I don't know. But that's how the case looks on the phone. That's how it works. There is no any problem with the buttons. Good access to ports, switchers, and it's well made, by the way. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.